The LM19-A Camera Drone Kit is a perfect beginner-friendly device, boasting a Wi-Fi live video remote control, making it an excellent gift for kids aged 8 to 12. One of the standout features of this drone is its 720p HD camera, which allows high-quality video and aerial photo capture, offering a genuine FPV flying experience. The drone is equipped with a display stand and ground mode, making it suitable for desktop display or showcase collection, while also providing a unique remote control experience. The LM19A offers multiple fun flights and supports Trim Zero function with 2-level flight speed, creating a more enjoyable flying experience. With 2 high-capacity modular batteries, the drone supports up to 14 minutes of flight time at normal play, making it an ideal choice for kids aged 8 to 12. The LM19A drone is backed by professional technical support and has received FCC certification, assuring the quality and safety of this product.